Welcome again to another video of the HTML tutorial. And on this video today, I will be talking about HTML lists. How you can actually list out items on your web page. So without wasting much time, let's go. To open your VS Code to the particular file which we have been using, the index.html, or you can actually create a new HTML file and name it list.html. Don't forget, you must always carry the .html extension. So in HTML, we have different kind of lists. We have the unordered lists. We have the ordered lists. We have description lists. We have nested lists, and we have horizontal lists. So one after the other, I will explain all of them. Another list starts with the UL tag. So UL stands for unordered lists. And ordered lists are lists that are not in orderly manner. And to list out the items, we use the li tag. This stands for list. So for example, now let me list out countries. So the first one will be Nigeria. And that is Ghana. Another is Spain. Add one last one. So we add England to it. And I save. Go to my browser and I reload. As you can see, this is a list of 4 countries. And another list has some style type, or let me call them that's the style attributes which the list will appear. Right now, this list is appearing with a disk. It's actually the default list type. So the other kind of list type that will bring out your unordered list. So let me show you what I mean. List style. Type. This one is disk. I will save and I go back. I can see it doesn't change because the default list type of unordered list is the disk. So another one is the circle. Save again, come and reload. Control arrow for the load, or you can come and tap on it. As you can see, it changes to the circle. Another list type for another list is square. See now. So you can also decide not to add any list type. So that's when you use the none. So you save now and you come back, you refresh your page, you see it doesn't have any list type there. So but if you remove this list type the list type attribute and save, it takes the default one, which is the disk. So the second list we're talking about today is the ordered list. Ordered list starts with the OL tag. So OL, ordered list, and each list item also starts with the li tag. And in ordered list, the list items are marked with numbers. The default is marked with numbers. So let me list out countries again. Nigeria. Not waste time. Let me just copy this and bring it down here. I'll save now. I'll go back to my browser and reload. As you can see now, this is a ordered list of countries. and the list will be the list are actually marked with numbers. That is the default. Unlike um, unlike on other lists, which the list type which has the style attributes of the value of list type. But for other lists, we use the type attributes. We can choose to use one. Yeah. So which means the list will be numbered. One, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. It's actually the default. You can also choose to use alphabet, uppercase alphabet. Save, reload, and as you can see, it's using A, B, C, and D. You can also choose to use this lowercase alphabet. As you can see now, small letter A, B, C, D. Another one is the Roman figure in uppercase. Can you use I? Again, I reload. See now, Roman figure, or you can also use the lowercase of the Roman figure, which is the lowercase of I. And save and reload. That is it. So we talked about another list and other lists. So the difference between this other list and another list now, another list, they are listed out in like they are listed out in the list circle, or you can also make them to start none, like nothing will display there. While for or other lists, they are listed in orderly manner. So for now, the next one we talk about now is it's the description list. A description list is a list of terms which with a description of each term. Let me take it again. A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. And they are actually to define a description list, we use the TL tag. So we use the TL tag to define the description list, while we use the TT tag to define the term, which means what you want to describe. We use the TT tag to define it, while we use the TD tag to describe, like essentially the description of what we are defining. So let me take it again. The DL tag is defines the description list. The DT tag defines the term which will be described, while the DD tag is actually the description of the term. So let's take for example, I want to describe countries. So I'll use the DT. And the first country I want to describe is Nigeria. So it's actually the term. I'll use the DT. Nigeria. So if I want to describe Nigeria, now I'll use the DT, which is the description of what of the term which I want to describe. So the description is that Nigeria is a country in Western Africa. Stop. So let me go back and you can see now. So you can also add something like knife in your file. Says yeah, and okay, you can see now Nigeria. This is the DT, which means the term which I'm describing, and this is the description of the term. So let me take another example. DT. Let me use Spain. Spain is a country in Europe. following. This is it. So Spain is a term which I'm describing, and Spain is a country. It's actually the description of what I am describing. That is description list. So next one is nested lists. What are nested lists? Nested lists are lists which are inside another list. Which like let me say list that can be nested, actually nested lists. And what I mean is that list inside another list or list inside lists. So let me take for example for you to understand. Let me have a list right now of countries again. So to list out the item, I said I'm using another list right now. To list out the item, we use the LI tag. So let me list out Nigeria. And now I want to list out places in Nigeria. But like can be state, can be cities in Nigeria. So let me use another list. So I can use Lagos. Use Ojo. And use Port. So you save the work. Just Control S to save. You come to your browser and you load. This is it. So list inside another list. This is a list. So this is a list of countries, and this is the list of places inside Nigeria. So now I want to add another list of another country. So I'll come here. I'll make another list of that country. Let me say England. So right now I'll use other lists inside OL. Places in England, London. We have Manchester. We have Manchester. So let me see this right now. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. I made a mistake here. It's supposed to be OL. So London. Manchester. Okay, now, so this is actually a list inside list. That's why it's called nested lists. A list inside another list. The last one which I'll be talking about right now is the horizontal list. I want to say something is horizontal, like kind of a straight line. So HTML list can be styled in many different ways in CSS, but right now, one popular way is to style a list is to display horizontally. So let me take for example a UL and that on that list. Let me just copy, go forward to this to save time. This video is getting long now. So I can come now to make this list. And so right now it's actually in vertical order. It's right now in vertical order. So what I will do is I'll come here and add style attributes. I'll make display to be inline. Don't bother yourself about this right now, but when we go into CSS deeply, you will understand what this means. But to make it, but I'm actually using inline display inline to make it horizontal. Oh, sorry, I wasn't supposed to put it here. It's supposed to be. Right now it's in vertical order. Then, but to make it in an horizontal order, all we have to do is, for example, I will give here an ID. Let me call it list. So I'll use the style. Come here, I was taking so don't bother yourself about this right now. When we go deep into CSS, you get fully understanding. So let's so display inline. Save. Right now, if you run this list in the browser, you will see that it's in vertical order. So for us to make it in an horizontal order, I'll come here and give this place an ID of list. Okay, and then for here in style lists, and then the headline. So say display inline, and from this place to say it's in horizontal order. So let me explain what I did here. When you go into CSS fully, there are three ways you can actually add CSS to your HTML page. Either you use it in inline form, the internal form, or the external form. But what I just did right now is the internal form, having a style, having a CSS code inside an HTML file, but all will be inside the style tab. That is the internal form. So don't worry yourself about that for now. But when we go to CSS deeply, you will understand. So these are actually all various kind of lists. Watch this video again if you don't understand and practice it more so you make sure to get stops and your result is actually like this. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.